Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin, and we have got a new clothing supplier that we're going to try out. It's called Grace and Emma, as you can see right on the box, and we're going to find out what do these clothes look like and what kind of quality are they. So let's see what we got. Okay, these are all brand new articles of clothing that will go on hookedonpickin.com, and so you can definitely check them out there and buy them all up so that you have them all. Also, one thing that we wanted to let you know is, as you know, on our fire sales, we only can sell about 50 clothing items each time. Well, next Tuesday night at 5 o'clock, instead of an unboxing, you're going to get kind of like an unboxing clothing sale. Remember how we did the health and beauty palettes where we sold them right as we unboxed them? We're going to do the exact same thing with clothing, but we're going to have a clothing bonanza. We're going to sell all of the clothing. If you look over there, we got to move all that. It's taking up space on our clothing racks, and so we need the space for that. We also probably will add some of the totes too back here with those clothing racks. And then I just noticed we also have boxes of shoes. So it'll just be,
shoes too?
Yeah, it'll be an accessories sale next Tuesday night at 5 o'clock. We're gonna go live and do everything live. And so that's gonna be really fun. So it'll be kind of like an unboxing. I'll be unboxing the shoes. I'll be showing you the totes, and I'll be sort of like unboxing the clothing. They'll just all be already on hangers.
Ping pong balling all over the place.
I'll be ping pong balling everywhere. All right, but first we're gonna look at this new clothing supplier, and we're gonna put all of these on hookedonpickin.com. So the only place you can get these clothes is to go straight to hookedonpickin.com and get these. So let's find out what kind of styles we have.
Your name was written on the box.
It was. All right, we've got hats. Oh my word, I love this hat. It says Southern Junkie on the back.
Southern Junkie?
Yes.
You look good in a hat, girl.
Yeah, I can pull off a hat, so that's cute. I love those. All right, so we've got...
Do they have the ponytail deal or no?
No, these are just regular Velcro back.
Trucker hat?
Yep.
Well, I guess not a trucker hat if it's Velcro.
Yeah, all right. Then we have same thing, but a solid pink. It's summertime. You definitely need a hat for the sun. Oh my goodness, I should bring this on vacation because it looks like the ocean.
It does look good.
I love this. These hats are so cute. I like them a lot. All right, what else we got? I'm just gonna show you all the hats first. Then we have this one. Super fun. All right, so those are all our fun hats. And then, what else do we have in here? What is this? It's got horses on it. Okay, let's look at it. It's like a tank top. How cute is that? It's a horsey tank top.
Good old horses.
So this one is a 3XL. That's what size that one is. And then I will look and let's see what other sizes we have.
It has horses on it, but it also has cowboy hats, horseshoes. Looks like cards and dice.
Yeah.
I don't know why cards and dice and horseshoes, but...
Hey, listen. It's a fun shirt.
There you go.
I missed this one. This one's just like the blue one, but it's pink. I didn't realize we had another kind.
Sure.
All right, so we've got the horse shirt, and let's see what sizes we have. I've got another 3XL, another 3XL, another 3XL. Oh, this is a whole pack of 2XLs. And then I've got 2 of the extra larges. So, lots of fun sizes there. What does this say? Stars and stripes, y'all.
I like it.
This one is a size medium. I love the sleeves on that. That's so cute. This is the softest material ever.
Definitely a
super
4th of
duper
July
soft.
shirt
Yes.
right there.
So we'll probably put that in clothing and our patriotic section. We have a whole patriotic section. Oh, and if you have not been to hookedonpickin.com and checked the mystery box section, we have definitely built some more mystery boxes. There's some there, and then we have some like over on the top shelves over there. So lots of mystery boxes now. So we've got another medium. Let me see. Small and a small. So that might have been the only available sizes they had in these. But those are so cute. I better not show those to Faith because she'll probably want to get one. Or I will show them to Faith.
She doesn't exactly buy it. She says, "Can I have one of these?"
Yes, she doesn't really buy them. Yes,
And she tries
you
to
are
act all
correct.
cute and bats her eyes.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Yeah, she does that. She gets it honest. I do that to Paul all the time and get whatever I want.
Yeah.
All right, this is a 2XL. Oh, how cute. It's a happy little cactus. Happy little cactus.
That's
like
soft.
I said,
Ooh, that is soft material.
it's so soft.
Here, feel this, guys. Feel that? That is so soft, isn't it?
You're going to find all these on hookedonpickin.com. We have a clothing section. So we have another 2XL. We have another, what size is this one? 2XL. Okay, I'm going to pull these all out. We're going to look at the sizes. We've got an extra large, an extra large, an extra large, an extra large, a large, another large, another large, another large, and one lonely medium. Those are fun. What else we got in here? This one's a 2XL. Oh, this is my Stella shirt right here. I love these softball sleeves. They're so cute. So that's a double XL.
Is that soft material again?
It's a little
bit
bit
of a different material.
because I think it's a long sleeve, so it's a little bit.
Yeah.
It's still soft. It's just more that heathered.
Yep.
So what sizes do we have? We have medium, medium, another double XL, another double XL, another double XL. These are the most random sizing.
Yeah.
It's what they had.
Yeah.
But that's cool because these are definitely a lot different than what we've had online before. So we do have some clothing already still online. So check that out. So we try to put some clothing online. Anything we have multiples of. Okay, this is a 3XL. This is a Heather shirt, 100%. I would wear this shirt. So now we've got another 3XL. 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 2XL. 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 And a random medium. Oh wait, what size is this one? And another medium. There you go. So sorry if you wear an extra large, because I was going to get one of these.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Now
That's
I can't.
what they have. Sometimes they didn't have a small, sometimes they were out of
Yeah,
larges.
it's super random, the sizing that they have. But if you guys love this, please leave in the comment section below or send us an email and say, hey, I love that style, because we'll buy more from these. This is kind of like our first initial buy from this company, because we've never tried them before. And so we try not to buy too much at first, just because we want to kind of figure out, oh my goodness, so soft. Look at this one. This is a medium. But wait, there's more.
Boom. That's on the back then.
It's on the back.
That's the back of a
I love this shirt so
floral
much.
cross on the back.
I really wish I could wear a medium, because I would totally wear this shirt. We have 2 mediums.
That might be it on that shirt, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. All right, let's see what else we got. Ooh, this is an interesting style. This one's a 3XL. Just kind of a black and gray t-shirt. This would pair good with anything. You throw a gray cardigan on with it or whatever. And so we've got a 3XL in this one.
Well, I know 3XL sells quite well for us. So I was trying to find any 3XL they had.
Yeah.
It was a little harder to do.
3XL. A 3XL. And then we have a new shirt style here. Okay, this one looks like this. These are so soft. Like, I love this company for the softness of their shirts. This one's an extra large. Could I wear this color yellow, possibly?
I can't
do yellows very well. I don't gravitate towards yellows either. Like, if I have a yellow hanging in my closet, I generally don't pick it out of the closet.
Yeah.
So that's also another reason.
You probably could pull that one off instead of like the real bright yellow.
Yeah.
That's the...
I can't do pastel yellow. Like the soft, like buttercream yellow. It just makes me look paler.
Was it blend into your skin or something? It's like a weird skin tone thingy. Yeah.
All right, so this is another extra large. Another extra large. Then we have a large, and another large. So this one we only have an extra large and large. All right, what else we got? All right, this is a size large. Everybody needs the staple of the soft black shirt to wear with everything. So this one is a large. This one is also a large. This one is also a large. Another large. And another large. Which is cool because we're going to have we're going to have multiples of your size, hopefully. Unless you wear a 2XL, because I haven't seen... Well, actually, we've got quite a few 2XLs. This one comes in a 2XL. So, all right, let's see what else we got. Ooh, I see some 2XLs in here. Pink. So this one is a 2XL. Just really, really nice quality. Just a little bit of a dressier t-shirt. So this is a 2XL. And then we've got another 2XL, 2X, 2X. Here's an extra large, extra large, extra large, extra large, a size large, large, medium, and medium. So this one we have a lot of sizes in. All right, and then we have like this one here. This one is a size small. Cutesy lace sleeves.
Lord have mercy.
Lord have mercy.
That's a great slide. I wish they had it in everything, but
in all the sizes, I know. We only have the size small. So we've got two of them. All right, one more shirt. It's in a 3XL, and it's only one of them. So I remember when we ordered this one, they sent a readjustment invoice because they were out of some of the sizes we had chosen, but I think we should order from them again because I really like their clothes. 3XL, sleeveless top. Really lightweight, flowy. It's gonna be really breathable. Super cute design. All right, so what I wanted to show you is we're gonna give you a sneak peek. So we've got various different shoes. These are all brand new. And
they're even labeled.
Yeah, this is 9.5. So like you've got some cute ones like this. These are going to be for sale on our live accessories unboxing, where we're going to sell it live. Then we've got some other Tuesday
at 5 p.m.
Yep. So we got some of those.
Most of these shoes are summertime.
They're all summertime
shoes. They were new shoes from Target. I mean, we bought these back in the day.
When we were down in New Baden in our other location.
It's been 3 years ago we bought these.
And honestly, what's happened is we finally had enough employees here to just finally unpack some of the stuff that we brought over from the other place. And so that's really the only reason why it's still sitting here is because it just kind of got put in a corner and we hadn't touched it. So like we've got various different sizes. And then we'll have 11s, 10s. I know we've got some 6s, 5s, but all of these boxes under here are all shoes.
You want to show them another box?
Sure. So these are all going to be sold on our unboxing on Tuesday. Just really cute sandals. This is so soft.
Yep, they're all brand new with tags.
Yep.
I think we got them right before a winter hit.
Yes, we did.
And they just didn't sell as well.
I've got some 8s down here. Ooh, we got men's assorted.
I have no idea what would be in men's.
I don't know either. I'm going to open this one just because I know we had a lot of ladies, but let's see what men's assorted looks like. Oh, look.
Oh, wow.
These are Converse.
It's like a boot.
Yeah. I'm trying to see what size it is.
Probably says on the tag on the inside, maybe.
That's what I'm looking for. I know it's in here somewhere. I just don't know where. But we've got this pair. Oh, here's the tag. Converse. I have no idea. Anyway, I'll figure it out.
It's got to be labeled somewhere.
I don't see the label anywhere. Maybe that's why they're in liquidation.
I thought it would be on the tongue of the...
It's not. Genuine leather. Oh wait, you're right. 14. These are 14s. It's hard to find size 14s of anything, and they're usually more expensive. Then we've got these. And then we've got, like, these are dress shoes. These are 11 and a halves.
They're nice looking dress shoes.
They are nice looking dress shoes. So yeah. So we're going to do all of that stuff on accessories. We're also going to sell different tote bags. So we've got our quilt. We've got these ones that are kind of like a grocery bag kind. You could use them for a beach bag. And then we got these cute totes that are going to be quilted. And we've got various different styles of various different totes. So we'll probably put some of those on the sale as well. So I hope you guys plan on showing up on Tuesday at 5 p.m. for our live accessories sale. We're going to do lots of clothing, varying from prices, I think like $5 all the way up to 20 or 25.
Yeah, they've been working on all the clothes over there.
And tagging them all and stuff. And it's going to be super fast paced. So that's kind of the goal. But we'll stay on as long as you guys want to buy things. So we're really excited about that. And so we're going to do some clothing, then we'll move to shoes, then we'll move to totes, then we'll go back to clothing, shoes, totes, kind of do that kind of thing. And we'll try to do various sizes of shoes so that, you know, we're not all doing just the same sizes. So it'll be really, really fun. We're excited. But for these clothes right here and the hats, you need to go to hookedonpickin.com. And that's the only place you can buy these, hookedonpickin.com. And so definitely check those out. Thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember the end, Jesus wins. Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I want to tell you about an awesome company and talk about their website. I want you to go to their website and get 20% off with the promo code HOOKED20, HOOKED20, no space, and you get 20% off. FernValleySoaps.com. They make goat milk soaps. It's all natural and really great soaps they've got for men and for women. They've got lotions, they got lip balms, they got body butter, they got scrubs, all sorts of fun things. Over here they got these degreaser soaps, which are amazing. They even have pet soaps. And so if you want one for your dog, they've got some spa baskets. And so this spa gift set will come in its own basket with some lotions, some soaps, some scrubs, some loofahs, all sorts of fun things. They've got various different kinds, but the coolest thing about this company is they do an Amber Alert. And so they actually support a company that helps find people in sex slave trafficking. And so they donate $3 for every bar of Amber Alert that is purchased. And that bar of soap smells amazing. But the cool thing is the amazing thing that they support. You can actually scan this QR code, go to FernValleySoap.com to purchase this soap, bar of soap, and all the other kinds. And use the promo code HOOKED20, HOOKED20 when you check out, and you will get automatically 20% off everything you buy on their website. All right, thanks. Hey thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.